All right, good morning. We have made mistakes. We have made mistakes, guys. We have in fact left our microphone and our headset, stuff we need, at home. So I'm using the computer microphone. So let me check it. Computer microphone. So let me check it. I mean, it's not good. It's not horrible, I guess. It's not good, but it ain't horrible. I don't know. What up, T Raids? Trades. Six Billy Bands. Good morning. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know. I'm looking for 10 points, obviously. We are going to look for 10 points. Good morning, Predator. Predator, good morning. No, it's not a new camera, Jan. This is actually the camera on my PC. My camera at home's better, but it just because I use the removal of the background. So, we are going to look for a trade, try to get one 10-point trade today, and let's see what happens. We are on vacation, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Good morning, Tech. T, good morning, Clarity. Excuse me, goodness. So, might get a little loud in here. I'm in the dining area, this vacation rental that we have for the weekend. We're in St. Augustine. So, Trader Monk, good morning. Robert. Aldo. What up, Zilmy? Yeah, we'll see, Tech T. I don't know. I'm still looking for longs. I think I'm looking for longs for the time being. So, we'll see what we get. It was a good short this morning. Looks like Yoma took it. Yoma took the 30-second short. Very kind of small-ish, but had data low there. So close below here, and then just kind of a run through the data low. I was considering it, but then we just didn't take it. So we considered for too long. Oh, you have to scale again. You have fast track. Yeah. On the road again. That's right. Zilney took it. Cooper, good morning. Yeah. I'm looking for 10 points today, guys. If we can get 10 points today, I think we secure 7 payouts. I think it's 7, which it would be 5 fast tracks, so that's 6,000, and then 3,000 from Apex would be 9. If we can get a 10-point winner today. Well, I'm actually looking for 12.5 points. But actually, we might only need. Do we need Do we need? Mm, yeah, 10 points will work on Apex. Let's see about with fast track. What do we got with fast track? 10 points work on fast track? Because if it will, we'll probably go with that. All right, one's at 165, one's at 185, so it works with those two. One's at 170, it works with that one. Let me just check these. One's at 075. That one, yep, needs less than 200. Maybe we might can just look for 10 points today, looks like. Yeah, we can just look for 10 points and get there. So let's do that. Instead of going with a normal 50 ticks, we're going to go with 40. And we're going to tighten the stop down too to 40. There we go. See if we can get it. Good morning, Coper. How much do you need to make on Fast Track to get a payout? 1250 on the rally account, Zilmy. Vacation is paid for with 10 points. That's right. What's up, AS? If you stay with a 448 profit, is it a must to bring it to 500? No, Aldo, if you stay with a 448 profit, you have to multiply, or you have to divide 448 but by 0.20 to get your total profit needed to get to a payout. So it moves the goalpost. It moves the goalpost a little higher. So, yeah, that could be 6 Billy bands. I would like us to sweep a little lower, but at the open would be nice. Good morning, Francis. Tin Can. I'm looking for longs, Arion. I'm going to be looking for longs, but at the open, I do expect a potential pullback. We do have some news. I normally have screen share, but I'm only sharing the chart today. So you're thinking maybe a sweep of this. I mean, that is a really nice liquidity pool. I'm thinking something like this, then maybe there. But, we'll see kind of what happens. Sir Doll Saldo. Oh, Aldo, yeah. Evelyn, good morning. Shahid, I'm in a vacation home. Good morning, Tom. So we'll kind of see what happens there at open. Yeah, I guess 301's not that far away. You are right. I mean, really, we can use the ES kind of as a barometer there and see what happens. What up, JD? dun, 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 dun. All right, let me try to make this smaller so I can actually squeeze a chart over here as well. Because I want to have the 30-second chart up. All right, now let me get that chart up. Let's see here. Nope. See if I can get this 30-second chart up. Where's the chart at? I'm trying to find my chart, guys. Is that it? Okay, yeah, that is it. Why can I not see it? All right, here we go. All right, now I just want to have the 30-second chart up over here because I missed a play last time over at my cousin's house because I didn't have the 30-second chart up. So I'll make sure I got it up today so we can see. What up, NCL trader, Brad? Dump to the 150s. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see, Jan. I don't know. Thomas, good morning. 6 Billy bands depends on the day. You always use the 30-second chart. Yeah, me too. I like the 30-second chart. I used to not like it so much, but sometimes when you're looking for a setup, Jim said if Apex Sell asks for a video of him trading to get a payout, he's sending them a photo of his ass. What's up, Lucas? Lucas, I never got an email from you yesterday. I never got your email from you winning the free account. Let's go, Moses. Nice job. Bull Bear, how's it going? Ryu, good morning. So, you did email me? I never got it. Let me check my spam. Maybe you went to spam. All right, guys, I can't pull over the news for you, but let me see what the news is. We have Fed Goolsby speaking in 30 minutes. Well, let me refresh that. See. Fed Goolsby speaking in 23 minutes, which is 9:45. It's not going to do much. We do have Michigan inflation expectations, two-star news at 10. Fed Logan speaks at 10:45. WASD report at noon. We have oil news at 1. So you got some afternoon stuff. Here we go. Morning. Good morning, Kinsey. 6 billion. Well, we got some other news. I mean, throughout the day, we did have PPI this morning. So, nah, Trader Jamie, I'm not in a church. We're at the beach in St. Augustine, Florida. So, I'm just sitting at the little dining room table here. Sitting at the dining room table, trying to find a 10-point play. If we can find a 10-point play, that would be nice. And does it like a church behind me? I don't know. Yeah, Jan, it's actually kind of I'll tell you guys, we got time to tell the story. So, yesterday, I rented a 12-passenger van, because we have 9, 10 people that are coming on vacation. And we go to pick the van up right before the vacation, and they're like, oh, we apologize. We don't have the van. And so, the guy, you would think that they would be like apologetic, oh, I'm sorry. What can we do something else for you as far as like maybe get a vehicle that doesn't seat 12 people, maybe offer me a 7 or 8 person, vehicle. No, they just said, go pound sand. I mean, like they just gave me attitude. It was this a little bit of an older lady. So I told her that she needed to brush up on her customer service skills. And I guess she didn't like that. And so she said, you need to leave. And so I was like, took offense to how she was acting. So I was like, I'll leave when I get ready, with a few choice words. But anyways, so we end up having, there's no other vans available. I mean, last minute like that, there's no other passenger vans available. So we end up having to drive 2 vehicles, which sucks. But we'd already booked the place, so I had no choice but to go, right? Yeah, she needs to work on her customer service skills. Like, just terrible. Terrible on their part. Jeff, good morning. They're like, oh, that van should have never been on the internet for rent. We apologize. It got double booked. The person showed up before you, so they got it. I was like, I mean, come on. They already rip you a new rear end on those vans. I mean, they're like $1,200, $1,300 to rent for, 3 days, 4 days, whatever. So, yeah, customer service is 2010. We don't get customer service nowadays. Never. Never. But yeah, I mean, I was annoyed. So yeah, Crystal ended up having to drive. You know, it's not the end of the world, but not her favorite thing. She was expecting to just be able to relax and let me drive. So, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Husk, yeah, I should have. No, I don't know if Husk is live or not. Um, I don't know, Scott. I think it's 50% off Apex right now, but 90% off Bulenox. I don't know if Apex is like they're just taking a day or two off to kind of come up with their next sale. I'm not sure. Yeah, exactly, Predator. I don't know. It's just like how she was just like so nonchalant about the fact that someone's showing up to pick up a van for 12 passengers. And like you can just find, a 12 passenger van down the street somewhere. Like, you know, that's just not how it works. So, what up, intraday? Yeah, they got 50% off Tin Can. It's kind of the default thing. What up, Pine Tree? Let's do it. Yeah, I think it's 50% off. They're doing something technically. I don't know. All right, there's a sweep of the 54. We like that. Man, is this setup going to form right before the market opens? I sure hope not. Right before the market open would be so scary to have to try to take. What up, Bassett? How you doing? Oh man, what do we do if we get a setup here? And I don't know, man. Just gained 70 ticks. Let's go, Will. Nice job. I mean, this gap is obvious. Let's check the 30-second chart over here. Basically the same. I mean, the scary part is that we're so close to open here. That's, I hate taking these trades so close to open. I mean, they can work out quickly, but they can also just wreck you quickly. Yeah, maybe 6 billion. I mean, like that, wouldn't mind that to be honest. But here's the thing: if you get a nice momentum candle back through this gap, I mean, how do you not take it, right? You got LR here. You got equal highs up at 433. So, like, what are we delivering from? Not really much, but you have a bullish SMT with the ES. Dennis, good morning. But you got a minute till open. So, I don't think we're going to get it before open. And you're going to get it right at open, which is also not that ideal. I don't know, 6 billion. We're going to have to see. It's going to be kind of a scary spot. Yeah, we checked Mancini's Ilmi. Basically, he's saying if 5809 fails, we see 5792. 5829 support, 5815 support, 5811 and '09 are support. So that's what he said. But basically, '09's the line in the sand for the bull bear. We lose '09, we sell down. We hold '09, we continue higher. So, all right, well, let's see what happens. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Here we go. I mean, a sweep into the 300 level, I wouldn't hate, you know. Race to the idiot box. Let's hope not. What up, Kraft? Adam Mancini 4 on Twitter. Adam Mancini 4 on Twitter. Can't necessarily show you because, my I'm only sharing this chart because I've only got two screens today, so I got to have kind of a hodgepodge set up over here. So, Yolma in the house. Yeah, Yoma, we're in St. Augustine, which is just south of Jacksonville. But yeah, we did end up coming. 300 was yesterday's IBL. That's interesting, isn't it? Right here to pivot point 318s. We do have it does appear like we're easing our way towards the 301. There is a 30-second setup there, but I think I would wait for that. I think. Oof, ES is just blowing higher here. ES is just popping. Pushing up 58.30 there on the ES. It's just going. I like the momentum here. It's going to be scary to take this long, but we'll do it if it triggers. How did the weight loss go? Not great, crap. I don't know. I haven't weighed myself in quite a while. I haven't weighed myself in a long time. Let's see. Pushing up here. Let's kind of see if we can get this 1 minute inverse. Close above this. We got this LR here. Got equal highs above. Jen, I will. If we get nice momentum through there, we'll probably take it. Oh, we're kind of like, yeah, like you're saying, Jan, not really, not a lot of strength here, right? It looks like 301 is probably the level that we need. I think it would make more sense. One more manipulation leg lower here, run the 301s, then look for something clean out of that. ES still pushing here so strong. ES is just ripping. Nasdaq's just not doing it. I'm looking for the 1 minute, Jen. I don't like the 5 minute. Bassett's right. You could use a 3 minute, but I don't like the 3 minute either just because it takes too long to close the candle to close. And plus, I'm only looking for 10 points. Easier to find 10 points on that 1 minute, 30-second with smaller stops. I didn't even notice that ES never ran that data wick, did it? Oh, ES did not run the data wick to the upside that Nasdaq did. All right, that's looking better. Let's see kind of what we get. I mean, the only thing is if the ES hits that data high before we inverse this, that'll be a little sketchy. Point of control 335. Yeah, Jeff, that's what I just noticed. I didn't even notice that before. I don't know why. It's right there in front of me. So ES pushing back up towards that data high, and Nasdaq is not. Just not going. So definitely out of sync. VIX dumping, ES pumping. Yeah. We'll just see kind of what happens here. I mean, more comfortably, I'd like for us to run the 301 and maybe we get a long setup out of that. I do like that the ES is pulling back here. Yeah. So let's see if the Nasdaq can run the previous day low here, and then maybe we get a close. Maybe we get another gap here. The banks that announced their earnings did very well. Nice. Pulling back here 315s. If it gets through this pivot, probably run through that 301 level pretty quickly. Maybe test 290. So we'll just kind of see what happens here. ES pulling back to the 29s, which is kind of that next level of support there. Looked like it was going to run that data high and just didn't get it. Does this go here? I don't know, man. This is a tricky spot. Yeah, Jeff, I agree. Uh, FTT, remove the money from the payout accounts. Can I trade them, get new accounts to activate, or should I wait for the rise payment? As long as you're approved and the money's removed, you should be good. All right, when's the 30-second closing? 10 seconds? Ooh. All right, this. Off second chart. Stop to break even at that. Come on. Don't do me dirty. Come on. Go. Go. That's annoying. Very annoying. All right. Lost $200 there. What can you do? Thought it was going to go. Did the 30-second actually close above? I guess it did. This is where having a tight stop like this is kind of like detrimental sometimes because the stop is really supposed to be, close back below 24 and just didn't get it, right? Shorts are valid. I mean, they might be. Who knows? But yeah, you can go ahead and trade those, Jan, if you've had approval. Thought this thing would at least make it to the internal there, 8 points, and maybe give us our 10, and it just didn't do it. I mean, 4 points came back and hit us. Good morning, Robert. Expensive vacation. Uh, yeah, what can you do? I might look for something else. We'll see. We might. Depends on if it's A plus, whatever. I mean, we may because we're down $200. So if we take another loss, we'd be down $400, which is still like a trade and a half, still reasonable. What up, Stoic? Man, that momentum there just seemed like it was going to go. Good morning, Andy. Obviously, we're probably going to sweep the 301 here now, most likely. I mean, ES bounced off the 28, 29 there. I thought it was just going to go. That's what it kind of felt like. Boom, 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 boom. So we'll see. Again, down 210. Womp, womp, womp. So close, yet so far away. Keeps teasing me with these 30-second setups, but I know as soon as I don't take one of them, it'll work, but whatever. Yeah, a little choppy, Jan. I do think ES or Nasdaq might need to sweep these lows, but I mean, you never know though. It could just leave those down there. And of course, watch this 30-second bang off. You dirty effing girl. I guess that's only 6 points. Dun, 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 dun. I do think Monday is a holiday as well, right? So we'll see if we can get 80 ticks. I mean, you never know, right? We'll shoot for a bigger target off an inverse. Go to break even when we're supposed to. Yeah, it could be bull bear. Yeah, so we'll probably this 30-second is kind of playing out now. There's 10, 8.5 points on that. Stop would be to break even. Oh, Monday's Thanksgiving. Let's go. So what's 80 ticks? We need 20 points to do it. I mean, it's not unreasonable to think, right? Jen, typically just like 9:15 to noon, 1 o'clock most days. So yeah, no worries. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Appreciate you. uh, Look at that 30-second just banging off now. Oh, that's so dirty. So the first one fails. The second one's 20 points. Tom Sabo's liking the structure. Uh, You took the 30-second long Bassett. You dirty girl. Dirty guy. I don't know. I skipped that one. I skipped it. Jan, yeah, on that one, I mean, the thing is, the idea is to take the inverse and go to break even when you're supposed to go to break even and see if it hits your 20. You know what I mean? That's all you do. That 1 minute is a line in the sand. I think so, Jan. I mean, if we pop above it, decent speed here, then I won't hate it. But also, what time is it? Close to the macro. Like, that's pretty good speed. But if we just reject, I don't know. News. It took your stop, Lassie. That's up. Let's try it. Oh, you had big. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Speaking head coming on. Yeah, I don't think. All right, we're probably going to try this if we get it. Let me see. Kind of stalling here. All right, that's not a great rejection candle there. Three seconds. 2 minute no close. 1 minute no close. Kind of losing momentum. Good morning, Mendelbro. Pulling back. ES left equal highs up there, 36.50, which, whatever. ES always leaves equal highs. No, I'm not taking shorts. Just watching here, waiting. That's all we're doing. All right, let's see what we get here. If this closes above, still probably going to take it. Yeah, it's not that clean, but I think it runs. Yeah. All right, I might just get killed here. I might kill this at the VWAP. We'll see if we get there. Come on, go. Gonna reduce the risk here a little bit. Up to that wick. So 7 points. Gotta go now. Has to go now. All right, my stop is coming up to break even now. I need this thing to go now. I want to see a VWAP touch here at least. Come on, run it through there. Ah. Oh well. Billy, I think that we're in the macro here. We have equal highs above. We closed above. I mean, ES pushed above the equal highs. I think it goes, but you know, no, obviously it may not. This is a break even trade at that point. I got in a little early, so I should have waited. But I mean, technically, if you waited for the close, it's invalid, right? So, all right. Well, we're down 180 now. Down 180. I almost, I almost just took the 6, 7 points there. I saw like 8, 9. Yeah, so 9 points. I almost killed it at like 7 points. But sorry. Hmm. I think I'm going to reduce my stop to like 30 ticks if we look for another trade. So down 180. Um, again, could have taken that for 7, 8 points. I mean, and just been down a few points, 50, $60. But I was really looking for the VWAP touch. And of course, my VWAP could be off by a point or two. Maybe VWAP is at 69. I don't know. I was looking for the VWAP touch up into the 70, 71, and I probably would have killed it. But, you know, Yedger stopped 2 points below VWAP and it didn't go. Oh, man. Yeah, break even. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, Lassie. I mean, I thought it was going to go. What up, Matt? I mean, if it doesn't go, it doesn't go, right? It is what it is. So, 2 minute closed above. How do you add VWAP? You hit the little magnifying glass up here and then go to VWAP. Now working on getting 2 more. Let's go, Coper. Nice job. Apex code Modgy is MYTH. 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 All capitals. So I guess it doesn't have to be capital on Apex. I think it's only, I don't know what the discount is now. Yeah, it could be Lassie. I mean, it very well could be. This has not failed yet, technically. Oh, man, I'm tempted to take another long here. I'm kind of tempted there, but I'm not going to. I am tempted though. It's tempted to add to get back in there. I use the number 3 VWAP, I think. Yeah, number 3. Yeah, news in 5 minutes. Yeah, I see the 30-second jam. That's what I was looking at. Was tempted at taking it, but ES tapping 40 here. I mean, that 30-second looked a little stronger because we actually held this. So, yeah, so that would have been off the VWAP there. You would have got 10 points there. What, 10 and a half? Took another long from the 3 minute. 3 minute finally closed. Yeah, this is dead price action, Black Beauty. You're not wrong. 56 points. Not probably not, Matt. I was going to do another account giveaway, but maybe I don't know. We'll see. Just holding up here at the VWAP. That's what I like, Jan. I like when they move fast, but they're just not. Yeah, I don't think news is really going to do much, to be honest with you. Long from 60, pay the trader. Let's go. Hopefully you get it. I mean, down 180 after being basically 180 from payout, not that big a deal. I mean, if we could take another winner, 10 points, get back small, it'd be fine. Play the range, says Mr. O. Yeah, we'll wait. We're going to wait for the news, less than a minute. I mean, it's not really major news, but maybe we'll do something. Jan. Uh, Jan said they're lazy. Lazy over there. I mean, ES is above the VWAP. Typically, like that's a good sign to get like us to get back above the VWAP on NQ, but still got 15 seconds until news or so. So let's see what happens. We'll see what we get. That's all we can do. Woo! All right. Maybe news does do something. You're allowed to curse on Europe from Europe. All right. When does DST? What is that? Cofer should have stayed in the shorts. You never know, Cofer. It's always the gamble. It's always the gamble. All right. So we did sweep some liquidity there. We'll see. Yeah, that was pretty big reaction, Jan. Oh, daylight savings time. I don't even know. Sometime this month, though, I think, before Halloween for sure. 21st, maybe? 22nd? I don't know. Yeah, there'll be another one, Matt, I'm sure. All right, we got a 30-second long possibly here. 1 minute's not very obvious. It's probably going to close up. Let's see. No close. No, Lassie. Did you, I guess, or at least estimate or open your R Trader Pro? Look at this thing going now. Yeah, Jan, not much I could do there. I wanted to push the button, but the fact that the VWAP was there held me up. So the VWAP. 27th October. Oh, okay. Yeah, ours is always on a Saturday night too. Head and shoulders. Yeah, easy win if you took it. Let's go, Mr. O. Nice job. Request, do I have to mail it? No, just fill it out. Fill it out and then send it in when you request. Yeah. You chose the third one. Yours at 79. Mine's at 70. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what to tell you there. Try the other ones and see which one's closest to 70. That's all I can say. You're not looking at the NQES mess. Yeah, what are you looking at over there, Black Beauty? What are you looking at? Six E. Um, you just click on this little magnifying glass and then you click on VWAP. And I just select number three. I don't change anything about it. So I don't know. Your VWAP's 373. Yeah, it's general. It's in there somewhere. So yeah, I know what you meant, Black Beauty. Trading Mints, good morning. Happy Friday. Thank you, Mr. O. Yeah, it's so hard to just jump in on momentum on this candle here when everything else has kind of just chopped you up, and then you see. I mean, it was good momentum. Not gonna say it wasn't, but like so hard to just jump in there. We break through the VWAP. I don't know. Should I stab? I'm thinking about maybe a stab, a one candle stab here. Can't think about long here. Just gotta break even. Let's take it right. Boom. Let's get us back to break even, baby. Let's go. Back to break even on the day, guys. This probably hits my 20 points, but I'm not going to allow that to happen again where I get 9, 10 points and I don't take it. Look, it hit my 20 points. Boom. So something like that would have been, nice. But I'm happy about that just to get back to break even. I can't even show you guys the P&L because of this stupid thing. Here, let me try to fix that where I can show you guys my P&L. I hate not being able to show you my P&L. Let's see. If I do that, you guys, okay, and then you guys can see this window at that point. All right, let's do that. And I can move this over here. So you guys can see that window, right? You guys see this now? You can see 30 bucks. Should be able to see this. So up $18 on these accounts, $8, 18. But yeah, the rally should be up like, 25, 30 bucks. So I might just live to see another day here. We'll see if we find another spot or not. All right, let's go back to what we were at. There we go. Thank you, Lassie. Thanks, Jeff. Yeah, I mean, that was one of those ones where it was like, Evelyn, 2 losing trades, that sucks. Yeah, I mean, but that's the way to stick to your rules, right? Same with me. If I would have taken a second trade, then I would have also, if I would have taken a second loser, this one had not been break even. And now I did reduce my risk. So my thought process was there. I'm down 200 bucks. 30 ticks is 150. So if I lose, I'm down a trade and a half. So that was my thought process there and why I changed it to that. Now we could go back. I mean, we could look for another spot, but I don't know if today's price action is worth looking for another spot, right? I agree, Kofer. Was thinking about getting in there when you said the same thing. Let's go. $500. Let's go, money. Money Miyagi. You got Rec Room, yeah. I didn't see a short there, but like always, sometimes your shorts pay and my longs don't. This, that, and the other. So, but the break of the VWAP there looked interesting to me. We had this wick up here. I thought that I could just risk one candle, so that was kind of my thought process, right? So I could risk by one candle. What I mean is the bottom of this candle. So it's only like 4 points, 5 points. So you risk the bottom of the candle there, $100, and if it doesn't just go, you're just stopped out, and that's okay. So that's kind of what I was looking at there. So I do think we run through the 433s. Makes sense, but we'll see. Appreciate you, Predator. Plus 700 Topstep. Let's go, Clarity. I agree there, Lassie. TP hit. Let's go, NCL. I don't know, Jeff. I wasn't expecting much from that news, to be honest with you, but it did. It did more than expected. I mean, not huge, nothing huge, but I mean, it was 33 points when you're in a 50-point range, I guess. when you're stuck in a 50-point range. Do we get a retrace? Did we push above? So we already pushed above the whole number. I actually missed this here. You guys know that I think the push into 410 almost always has a pullback into 395s, back into the 95, and then you push through. I bet you this next 11 candle, we get a nice burst up here. Boop, watch it. Watch it. There it is. Boom. Almost every day. Good shot. Good luck trading mints. Huh? You just open the door and hit the button. Your mama saying open the garage? Just turn the light on. Hit the light button right there. No, right. Dude, it's a light switch right there. This kid don't know how to open the garage. Just hit the button. All right, I'm gonna go open the garage. Oh, everybody got it. You don't have to hold it. You don't have to hold it. So nut. It ran through 433, so we like that. Earlier you got one at an Express account. Let's go trading mints. Not much for me to do here, guys. Like I don't know. I'm almost tempted to call it, but we might. I mean, do you guys think we should wait for initial balance and see if we can't find like what do we need? We need like 8 points, maybe 9 points off initial balance. I don't know. Do we risk 200? I just don't like this price action, to be honest with you guys. Let's go back and look. I mean, let's look at like the inverses that we were offered today. So the 1 minute failed, or actually, I mean, technically the 1 minute, yeah, that did fail because it never hit the internal, right? Never got back above it. So obviously the 30-second one that I took failed. The first 30-second failed. The second 30-second failed. The 1 minute failed. There was one 30-second I did not take that worked. There was another 30-second that I did not take that worked. So you're looking at 3 out of 6 on inverses today. That's not good price action. A good price action day, we would be like 5 out of 6 on those. So yeah, I have 2 Steam. Mine's the same thing. Exact same thing. And we still have that wick up there at 468. Maybe we can run that. Mancini's next level up. Do I not even have it on there? Yeah, I don't even have it on there. The 40. What is his next level up? Let me see what Mancini's next level up is. On the ES. Probably be a little noisy in here in a minute because all the kids will be back. They went to the grocery store to get food and to get some Chick-fil-A. So 47 and 58.90 are next. So we already went through the 47. So his next level up is way up there, 58.90. Wow. Are we going to just be ultra bullish today? Are we just going to be ultra bullish today? I don't know. Fibonacci's 390 if you want. Yeah, I guess, yeah, a little fee, that might make sense. I don't know if I want to do an initial balance play today. I'm not quite sure. We do have, what, another 15 minutes before it's set. We're in a 125 point range right now. I don't like this. Actually, I don't mind the actually initial balance low because the pivot point is above the IBL at this point. So that's kind of a nice look. That's not bad. Second Friday of the month. Yeah, I don't know. Tesla's ripping up. It gapped down at open this morning. Let's go, Tech T. Nice job. $1,000. Be honest with you guys, I'm happy with my $30 at this point. Kind of happy with the $30 after being down 200. To the moon, to the moon. Yeah, we might go to the moon. I mean, Mancini kind of seems like he's insinuating a moonshot today. A moonshot Friday. I don't really know. Emma, the kitchen. Oh, they went to McDonald's instead of Chick-fil-A. Yesterday, 4.7K. Let's go, Bassett. Nice job. The thing's just grinding higher. You're seeing them today. Let's go. That's always good. I mean, I'm okay with how today went. One loss, one break even, one win. You know, break even day there. We could be up 10 points if we would have taken that 9 point scalp, but we didn't. Yeah. They got food while you eating Cheetos. I tend to agree, Matt. I don't like the shorts yet. I mean, like you could get some shorts in today, but so far looking pretty bullish, right? I mean, Here's the thing, like, do we have to run that 301 level? When you look at this from the perspective of like, did we grab liquidity? Yes, we took all of this. We took everything here. So like, you don't really have to run that 301 level in order for this thing to be going up. Oh, Mavi's here. He's pointing outside, looking out the window. Yeah? This is Emma. Say hello. You didn't say nothing, you waved.
Hi. Hey, wait, can you see me? Hey, friends.
Oh, the kids are here. Mavi's trying to join in on the fun. All right. Ugh. Say hello. Mavi, say hello. Yeah. He's exploring. He said it was dark when we got here last night. Let one of them take a trade? No. Oh, look, Maverick. He has your name. His name is Maverick too. His name is Maverick too. Yeah, they need to rub some luck on me. I have none over here. So, oh, he's over trying to press buttons. You can't press buttons. You cannot press buttons. ES pushing up here to the 59s. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to take any more trades. No, don't press the button. Let them take one on all the PAs. No, can't do it. I worked too hard on those. Room. Look, I worked too hard. All right, guys. Well, I'm probably going to go ahead and call it there. I'll probably try to post a little vlog over the weekend here. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me, subscribe. We'll be back live on, I don't think I'm going to be streaming on Monday. We'll see. Not quite sure. It's a holiday. Maybe we jump on for a little bit just to have a little fun. So there's Jason. Jason jumping in on the action. But I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.